Good morning, sir. My name is Mugilan. My matrix number is 23 DBT20F2007. Today, I'm going to explain about the SPSS data organizing experiment. So, now I'm going to refer the module. So, the first question is label all the research variables in variable view and prepare the data in data view using SPSS program. So, let's we go to the SPSS program. So this is the variables that the questions given until the gender, age, weight, height, fast food, favorite food, usual order food, branding, fast food, number of times of eating the fast food, reason taking fast food, aware about the fast food, and aware of the disease. Then you could see the variables are here. So here got the gender, age, weight, height, and the other questions. So for organize the data into the SPSS program. So for example, we have to for gender, we have to put the gender at the name, and we have to go for the value. So as we could see there, here we have to put the value is 1, and we could label male as the label, and for second the female, so we have to put the 2 and female was here, so we have to uh, then okay, then we have to the missing. So in case the the users did not put the value, it will be like missing. So the value for the missing is I put 99. So the column is 8, then I put the line in the center, then the measure is nominal. So the measure is got three types: the scale, ordinal, and nominal. So as well as we going to put the all variables in the SPSS program as the order that I mentioned before. So let's move to the age. Age also same as like gender, but the values are none, and the scale, the measure is scale, and the weight and height is also the values are none, and the measure is scale. So the three variables are the users need to put their uh, own age, own weight, and own height. So for the other variables, they have their own choices like yes, no, or like Kentucky Fried Chicken. Uh, so many choices. So for every variable, we have to put adjust on the values. So for example, here for we have to put 1 at the value and label as yes, and 2 and label as no. So for the favorite food, we have to put like the same thing until the choices that given by them. So like one is Kentucky Fried Chicken, McDonald's, Pizza Hut, Nobino's, Texas Chicken, and Subway, like this. So after that, the missing number also same like the before one. Then the fast food, favorite food, and usual order are the nominal measure, and the branding of the fast food and the fast food price is the ordinal measure. Then the the others all like scale only. So next we move to the second question. So the second question is recode the age into new category. So now we're going to recode the age. So we're going to transform, recode with different variables. Now we're going to put the age. So here and go to the old and new variables. So put the range. So we're going to do the values of new values. So for that, they ask the categories like 18 to 19, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, and 50 to and above. So first and foremost, we're going to put 18 until 29. So we're going to put this as the first value. So it will be look like this. Then the second value 30 and 39. So for this I put 2. And the uh, third one is 40 and 49. And I put for the 3. And for this you could see that here got they mentioned that 50 and above. So we could not do in this format. So we have to put the range at value through the highest. So we're going to put 50 and 4. So we already get the new values. So the for the new variable, we're going to put a new age category and label as new age. So this is the then change. So wait, this is already existed. So wait, age. So I make it age category. So already I changed the that one. So now you could see the recode of the age here. So now let's we move to the second question. Okay. Now you could see the wait, I this one I clear first. You could see the 18th recode one. So here you have to adjust some. So they already did not say the values. So just put the values over here. Then change the center, and this is nominal. So because age, oh no, this is the scale. So we have to change to the scale. So now we move to the third question, which is compute the height of the respondents from centimeters to meters and compute the BMI by using the following formula. The formula is BMI weight over height M2. So first we going to category the height into compute the height cm into the meter. So first go to the transform compute variable. So go before that we have to cut the the before one. So first put the height. So oh sorry. Before that we have to put the bracket and put the height here and divide by 100 in bracket. So that's all. So the target variable we're going to label as the height meter, height and meter. So now you could see that compute height meter. So it's already executed. So now we go into the variable view. So you could see the changes over here height meter. So the heights in cm already changed to the meter. So now we're going to do the next step, which is want to compute the BMI using the formula. So now I also going to cut the BMI section 1. So now go to the transform compute variable. Then I'm going to label this as BMI. Wait, BMI, BMI. So now I'm going to delete the old expression. Then I want to put the bracket and height and meter. Sorry. The weight, sorry, weight. Okay, weight. Then divide. Then have a space. Divide by bracket. So height in meter. So for the times, I going to use the star value. So again, so for the BMI, we need the meter square. So we have to height meter times by height meter. So have to put again. So now we already done the BMI one. So I have to kind the OK one. So now you could see the compute BMI. Yeah, blah blah blah, and nothing already done ready. So now you could see the BMI one. So let's move to the BMI section. As you could see that BMI is the shown over here. See, okay. Then we move to the last question. Last question, they asked to record the BMI of respondents in the new category. So now we're going to record the BMI of respondent into new category. So now I'm going to cut the old one. Okay. Now we're going to record the variable. So now we're going to use the BMI. So we have to can say sorry. The- So for this we're going to reset. Okay. Then we have to put the BMI over here. Then go for the Olin. So we're going to see the so here they ask below 18.5. So we're going to put over here. So because this range lowest value, so 18.5. For this, I'm going to put 1. So then they ask 18.5 until 24.9. So for that, I'm going to put 18.5 24.9. So then I'm going to put 2 at the value and add. And 20, and the third one is 25 until 29.9. For that, I'm going to put 25 over here and 29.9 over here and put the value as 3 and add. And the last one, they ask they ask 30 and above. So for that, I'm going to use this 30. For this, I put 4. So now I've already done the everything. So this one I'm going to label as BMI new category. So this one already done, change. So okay. Now you could see that recode BMI and then everything that mentioned in the result section. So now we go into the this one. Then now you could see the variable BMI new category over here. So here also you could see the BMI new category, but before that we have to label the value at the variable view. So for the BMI new category, so we're going to put the values for, so value 1 is, they mention underweighted, normal, overweighted, very overweighted. So underweight. So for the second, we're going to put normal. For the third one, we're going to put overweight. Then for fourth, we're going to put very overweight. So now we already done the values. So click on the that one. Then also we're going to put the missing value. So copy and just paste, and this one is put at center everything. So for the BMI new category, this is also a scale. So we already done the edit the variable view. So we could see at the this one. So you could see that normal, underweighted. So the results is according to the recode. So that's all from me. Thank you, sir.